All right, so I got some new window shades from Bringnox. These were sent over for me to try out, and I got 3 different sets of them. And 2 of them are going to go in this room right here in the bedroom. But these are automatic smart blinds or smart shades. They also will come with a remote where you don't have to use the smart features, but it is a nice feature to have. So when you're customizing these, you can get them with just about every size, and you choose the width and the length that you're wanting to do. They have great customer service too. When I first ordered these, I ordered the wrong size, but we were able to get them swapped out to the correct ones. All right, so with some of the customizations, you can even customize like this piece here, the part that comes down. I don't know what this part is called, but you can customize that piece. And you can customize the colors that you want with this. You can do different colors of fabric. I decided to go with a lighter gray to kind of fit with things. It also does have a remote control to use. So you don't have, like I mentioned, you don't have to use the smart features if you don't want to. And you actually have the option to order the remote or go without the remote as well. And the remote does have a little sticky thing where you can actually hang it up somewhere on a wall or anything, I guess. You got your user manual. We got a really long Type-C cord, which is what you'll use to keep it charged up. Then we got our expansion screw and mount bracket. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna see how easy it is to get these in here. Ah, yeah, that looks like a perfect fit. All right, so I think first we'll get these curtains moved out of the way, make it a little easier. Now for your shades, you're going to get these bracket things, and these are what you're going to put in your windowsill. You can either do it from the top or you can do it from the back. They do recommend for a top mount on this one, and these just pop right on too. So you'll be able to put it on, take it off pretty easily. You kind of want to figure out where you want to put it. And then this does come with anchors and screws. That was actually pretty easy. I forgot to mention these are also rechargeable. So you don't even have to keep them plugged in. You can just plug it in every so often and charge them up. And then you can unplug it and get that cord out of the way. Or you can even set up a solar panel with a Type-C to this. And you can keep this charged up with solar power too. I can't even talk. The USB Type-C is definitely not going to use very many watts whatsoever. So if you want to keep it charged up that way, you will have to plug it into a brick. But I think it's pretty cool that it is rechargeable. So it's working right out of the box. And we got our remote. So I'm going to go ahead and work on installing the second one. I won't have the third one in the video, but I'll get these 2 done. We're going to work on getting them set up to the smart features, and we're going to give that a try too, because it's supposed to work with Alexa, Google, and I think Apple Home and all that stuff. Now, some other things about this, you can change this to be an inner or inside or outside mount. So when you're ordering, you can choose whether it's going to be the outside or it's going to be on the inside. So you got different options for your mounting too. And like I mentioned, you can also choose different colors for here. You get different colors for the shade itself, and you can even get different colors for this piece at the bottom of your shade. If you want a really awesome screwdriver, check this one out from Fantic. So it looks like each remote is independently operated. I will set up the smart functions. I do not know if you can set up these remotes to work with multiple or not. I'll look into that too before I finish this video. But I'm going to go ahead and work on getting everything connected, and then we'll try out the smart features. Alexa, good night. you're a little delayed. All right, so you saw that we do have some commands. You are able to set up scenarios and everything. I did get it all connected. Now I did run into some issues. It wasn't because of the setup and stuff, but I found out that it needs to have threads, and not all Amazon Alexa device or Amazon devices work with threads. Like I have the Echo Show 5s and they do not have it, but the Echo Show 8s and 10s do. Also, like the Echo Show 5 and beyond, something like that, they all have it. The 5th generation, I believe, or maybe it's the 4th. Either way, my devices that I have right now did not have that capability, so I had to kind of improvise. I found out that the Aero routers, they have threads built in. So depending on the routers that you might have, they may have that already on your network and you'll be able to run it just fine with that. With that setup, I was able to finally get them installed and it works. Also, I did get the one charged up. This one's charging up. This is a really long cord. So you can plug this in a pretty decent distance from the shades and still be able to charge them up. And I'll show you in the app where you can actually see the battery percentage. Now, I did find out, or I did figure out that you can program the remotes to multiple shades, but I'm having an issue with mine because for some reason, I don't know what I did. I keep playing with it, but I have it where one shade, the down will make it go up, and the other shade, the down will make it go down. So, like I press up, and that one will go up, and if I press down, well, that one now goes down, but this one goes up. So I know I messed it up somewhere, but I'll figure it out and fix it. Now, as for that, a little bit more information on that Connect, you do get a user guide. It's called the Matter Getting Started. And Matter is the technology that these shades use for the smart functions. And it allows it to connect to that threads on your network. Now, I didn't record the actual app setup. It's really easy. That kind of guides you pretty easily. All you got to do is add your device. It will most likely even already see it. You want to put your shade in pairing mode. There's a little button. You're going to press and hold it for a couple seconds, and the blind or the shades are going to go up and down real quick, and it's in pairing mode, and then it will connect, and you're good to go. All right, so showing you the app here, I set these up in a group in the bedroom, since this is the bedroom. And I labeled them as left blind and right blind. They were originally as first blind, second blind. If you go into each one, you can see where it's opened and closed, and you can manually open and close it using this as well. And then if you go into the settings, you can see the battery percentage for that blind. So this one is still charging up. And you could also go into the other blind. You could do the same thing. That one is at 90% battery. Now, you could also do routines, which is what I did there in that beginning. Alexa, let there be light. And then I have that scenario set up where it will automatically open both the shades. But you'll have to go in there and you'll have to add each device. And I have it set up where it only opens halfway for both of them. And you can change that to 100%, you can change it to 20%, whatever you want it to open up. So like maybe you want just a little bit of that sun in the morning. You wake up and you tell it to open up and it just give you a little bit. Or maybe you want it nice and bright first thing. You could also set up timers. So like if you wanted to set this up to like their power on at dusk. But you can go through and you can choose the routine that you like. So overall, that's pretty much the gist of these shades and using the app. If people need a little bit more guidance on the app, I could probably do a follow-up video that's a little more dedicated to that on how to program it and set things up. But other than that, it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy to set up. You could also use Google Home, like I mentioned, I think in the beginning. You could use the Apple like HomePod, and I want to say there's a couple other options. I don't have those, so I can't do demonstrations with those ones. But hopefully this gives you a decent idea what to expect with these shades if it's something that you would like to consider for your home. They're really nice. They work great once you have them set up. It only took me a couple of minutes to install both of them combined, so I would say that's pretty decent. Alexa, good night. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.